allowed to the country.
And recently, the installation of a new executive that will help drive the President's vision of Chisanja No More Sleep from 2026 to 2031. With a new group of leaders in Cabinet and Parliament, we are quite optimistic that Uganda is firmly on track to achieve its target of a $500 billion economy by 2040. As for the UPDF, we will absolutely perform our part to achieve this goal. Can no longer afford the widespread public malaise over systemic corruption and poor service delivery in our country. We cannot and shall not tolerate agents of foreign interests who work secretly to weaken the country's progress.
La discipline
and accountability
et la comptabilité
will be insisted on.
Nous allons insister sur là.
As you had CDF telling you.
Comme vous avez écouté le chef d'état-major général, comment il l'a déjà dit.
This is because we need to have a strong economy.
C'est pourquoi nous allons avoir une grande économie.
A strong and modern economy.
Fort économie et moderne.
Strong and modern.
Eh oui, yes sir.
What is strong?
Strong, it is called, it's a word for. If it's a masculine, it is for, because we have ladies in French, what is
Mukulembeze w'eggwanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ng'abadde kaweeweeta nga tuvuddeyo eyo mu kaseera kano katufune ekigambo